Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure you have admin rights. Without them, you cannot add exceptions. Once confirmed, open Start and type Windows Defender Firewall, then press Enter to open the app. From the left column, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. This takes you straight to the exceptions list. While the window loads, click Change Settings so you can edit entries. Make sure you understand whether you need a public or private exception before proceeding. Once Change Settings is active, click Allow another app to add a program. Browse to the exe and add. This allows the specific app through. If you need to open a port instead, click Advanced Settings, then Inbound Rules and New Rule. Choose port, pick TCP or UDP, type the port number or range, and proceed. After selecting Allow the connection, apply the rule to the needed profiles. This ensures traffic reaches the app correctly. After creating the app entry or port rule, verify it appears in the Allowed Apps list or in Advanced Settings with the correct private/public profiles checked. Once done, test connectivity from the client or use Netstat and Telnet to confirm the port is listening. If the app still seems blocked, make sure no third-party antivirus or router firewall is interfering. You can temporarily disable Windows Firewall to isolate the issue. As a troubleshooting tip, check rule priority and remove duplicate rules that might deny the same traffic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.